Do you feel like the tech world is moving faster than you can keep up? You are not alone. In 2025, the skills you think are hot today might already be old news. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know the exact skills you need to master to stay ahead of the game. And trust me, these skills will make companies chase you for jobs. Let's start with the skill that's literally transforming industries, generative AI. You have seen tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, right? They are not just cool, they are changing the work gets done. In by 2025, learning how generative AI works will be essential. But here is the twist, you don't need to be an AI scientist. Companies need people who can use AI tools smartly in day-to-day tasks. Imagine creating reports, generating designs, or even debugging code faster using AI. Pro tip, start with platforms like TensorFlow or PyTorch to understand the basics of AI. Once you are comfortable, explore real-world projects. Now let's talk about something that powers almost everything online, cloud computing. Whether it is Netflix, Google Drive, or your favorite mobile game, they all run on the cloud. By 2025, companies will need professionals who can understand how cloud platforms work. Skills like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform are in huge demand. But here is the exciting part. You don't need to be a genius to start. Imagine this, you learn how to host a simple website on AWS. Next, you explore managing large databases. Step by step, you are building a resume that screams hire me. Pro tip, take beginner-friendly certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect. It's like adding a golden badge to your LinkedIn profile. Let me ask you this, would you leave your home unlocked? No, right? That's exactly how companies feel about their digital data. Cybersecurity is no longer optional, it is a necessity. By 2025, every company will want employees who know how to protect sensitive data. Don't worry, you don't have to become a hacker, though ethical hacking is a legit career. Start by learning simple things like spotting phishing emails, understanding firewalls, and encrypting files. For advanced learners, explore tools like Wireshark or Kali Linux. These can make you the go-to person when cybersecurity issues pop up. Pro tip, platforms like Udemy or Coursera have affordable courses on cybersecurity. A few hours a week could make a massive difference. Number 4, data analytics and visualization. Ever heard the phrase, data is the new oil? Well, it's true, but raw data is useless until someone makes sense of it. That's where data analytics comes in. By 2025, companies will need professionals who can analyze numbers and tell stories using data. Imagine helping a business predict which product will sell the most next year. Sounds powerful, right? Start with beginner-friendly tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Once you are ready, level up with Tableau, Power BI, or even Python for data analysis. Pro tip, try a small project like analyzing your monthly expenses. Use charts to visualize your spending habits. It's fun and a great way to practice. If you think coding is only for developers, think again. The rise of low-code and no-code platform is completely changing how apps and websites are built. By 2025, even non-technical people will need to understand how to use tools like Bubble, Webflow, or OutSystems to build applications without writing tons of code. Whether it's creating an app for your side business or automating tasks at your job, low-code tools let you bring ideas to life in matter of hours, not months. What's cool is that companies are looking for employees who can use these tools to quickly solve business problems without waiting on developers. You don't have to be a professional coder to build functional products anymore. Pro tip, start by creating your own website or app on Webflow or Wix. It is a fantastic way to learn how low-code tools work, and you'll get to say, I built that. Now, automation is not just a buzzword, it is a game changer. The world of DevOps is all about bringing development and operations teams together to build and deliver software faster. And in 2025, automation skills will be more important than ever. Imagine setting up a system that automatically tests code, deploy it to server, and even fixes bug without anyone touching a thing. Sounds like magic, right? But it is real. To get started with DevOps, explore tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and Terraform. These tools help automate processes, save time, and increase efficiency across teams. The best part, DevOps skills are in massive demand right now. Pro tip, set up a Docker container to run a simple app. Once you understand the basics, you can start automating more complicated processes with Jenkins or Terraform. Imagine this, you have an amazing technical solution to a problem, but no one can understand what you are saying. Sounds frustrating, right? That is why communication skills are more important than ever. Whether you are working in tech, business, or healthcare, being able to clearly explain your ideas is a must. In 2025, companies won't just hire the most technically skilled people, they will hire people who can communicate clearly and work well in teams. Start by practicing active listening. This means giving your full attention to the person speaking, asking follow-up questions, and showing you understand. When you speak, keep things simple and direct. Avoid using too much jargon, especially when talking to people who are not experts in your field. Pro tip: join groups or workshops where you can practice public speaking. The more you practice, the more confident and clear you will become. In a world full of challenges, the ability to solve problems is no less than a superpower. In 2025, employers will be looking for people who can think critically and come up with a solution on their own without always needing direction. Being a problem solver means being curious and open to trying new ways of doing things, whether it is figuring out how to automate a task at work or thinking through a complicated problem. Strong problem solving skills will set you apart. Start by breaking down problems into smaller, more manageable parts. Look at the bigger picture, identify possible solutions, and then test them out. If one approach does not work, try another. Don't be afraid to fail. It's all part of the learning process. Pro tip: when facing a problem, ask yourself, what is the worst that could happen if I try this? This answer will often help you make a decision. And that's a wrap on the skills you'll need to succeed in 2025. These skills will give you a massive edge whether you are a tech expert or working in a completely different field. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another update. Drop a comment below telling me which skill you are going to work on next. Let's make 2025 your best year yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.